Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, confirm your iPhone 15 and recent iOS so action mode functions properly. Once confirmed, open the camera app and position your subject. Make sure to stabilize the phone, use two hands or a tripod for best results. Now look for the action mode icon in the viewfinder. It appears automatically in motion scenarios. Tap the action mode icon to enable it, and the camera will switch to specialized stabilization and processing for smooth-moving shots. Now refine settings. Choose 24 to 60 FPS depending on how fast your subject moves. Higher FPS captures smoother action. Once framed, tap to set focus and exposure, and hold to lock AE/AF if lighting will vary. Make sure to leave room in the frame in the direction of movement so stabilization can track effectively. Press the red record button. Action mode automatically increases stabilization and crops slightly. While recording, move smoothly with the subject to reduce sudden jerks. When you finish, stop recording and immediately review the clip in photos to confirm stabilization worked. If the footage still feels shaky, make sure action mode was active and repeat the shot using a tripod or gimbal. Small adjustments to your movement improve results. If action mode doesn't appear, update iOS first, and if needed, reset camera settings in settings to restore defaults. Finally, export or edit the stabilized clip, crop minimally, preserve resolution, and share once you're satisfied with smooth motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.